My name is Ruud Eijhoorn and I am a PhD student at the Eindhoven University of Technology. I am developing a technology to recover throttle losses which occur in gasoline engines. This technology is called WEDACS, Waste Energy Driven Air Conditioning System, and is invented by Michael Boot, a former PhD student here. The air is coming from the air filter, flowing to the turbine where it is throttled, and then to the engine. This is the generator where electricity is produced.
The throttle valve controls the engine and is a source of throttle losses. In the engine, the throttle valve is replaced by WEDACS, Waste Energy Driven Air Conditioning System. A turbine recovers the throttle losses and a generator converts it to electricity, thereby increasing engine efficiency. Finally, a heat exchanger uses the cold air from the turbine to aid the air conditioning system by cooling its working fluid.